We all want to be loved and appreciated for who we are. People will tell you to ignore the opinions of others. I did too. But opinions of others can be helpful and can allow us to learn more about ourselves in constructive ways. We are not living in a vacuum after all, and we always connect. When should you pay less attention to others? Well, when they have an agenda, ill intentions, and just want to put you down to feel better about themselves. People can have their opinions about you. People judge. That is what people do. We all do. We need to draw lines though. You are your own expert. You know your flaws better than anyone. And in the best case, you also know your strengths. When someone has something constructive to say and you agree, you can take valuable things for yourself on board and improve. The flip side is when you are constantly looking for outside validation and approval for who you are as a person. This will leave you really unsatisfied and more often than not, rather insecure. You give everyone around you immense power over the way you feel and think. You hand yourself over to novices and become dependent on opinions that can change like the weather, while it is you who is the real expert here. Some will give you what you think you want, sometimes. Others won't. Some will give it to you for the right reasons and others for the wrong ones. And where does that leave you in this ping pong? Be brave and approve of yourself first. Understand your value, your worth, your uniqueness, your flaws and strengths. Those things do not depend on what you have achieved or not. They don't depend on anything. They are just there for you to embrace the person you are in your completeness. Give yourself unconditional love in the sense that you accept who you are. You know who you are, and you know who you want to be as a person. Everyone is worthy and important. Some will love you for who you are, others won't. So what? If you need some help with that, I'm there for you. I'm Philipp. I'm a hypnotist and mind coach, and I help people find the happiness they deserve. Get in touch with me and let's find out how I can help you specifically. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.